You with them lames? He ain't got a car, he ain't rocking no chains. And I heard he a snitch, bitch nigga on the low. And if he ever wanna trip,
okay, people, this is my last one for the night. I'm going to sleep after this. Y'all know what else happens after that. Recently, Media Takeout says that T.I. is cheating on his goddamn wife. First of all, nigga, about time. Do you see her? You better thank God for them kids looking the way they look. Cause if not, nigga, that bitch is ugly. Not trying to diss everybody. I know what you saying. Oh, he's fucked up. Why he doing that? She's a good girl. She held him down through thick and thin. She was beating his dick in there. She was smoking weed with the nigga in the car. I beat my own dick. Smoke my own blunt. Bitch, you ugly. Fuck it. I don't care. Nigga. And then the bitch he cheating with. Ooh. Damn. She got some big titties. Nigga. Believe that one. T.I., I don't know what the fuck you gonna do. All them kids. You gonna pay $1 million in child support. The family hustle is just a hustle now, nigga. So let's see how you grind on that one. So now bounce back, get back, whatever the name of the song was. I'm back on child support, nigga. Cause she taking your ass. Cause this new bitch ain't playing. She said, my child is a blessing to us all. I love him so much I can't deny. Nigga, you better do something. Cause your shit is over. Nigga, you living like a broke nigga now. Fuck it. You living like a hood nigga. Nigga got a girl. Nigga have a baby. Nigga, you stupid. All that money, nigga. Ooh, wee. Nigga. Shit, if I had a cousin, I'd tell her, I'd let her fuck with your ass and get pregnant and ruin your shit. You bitch nigga.